Hey guys, welcome back to the Star Lily Slime Girls channel.
I'm Star.
I'm Lily.
Yeah, it was cool.
Also, that's not really my hands, it's just blood. So basically what we're doing today is no glue slime recipes. The first one we're doing is
face mask
slime.
Let's open it.
It's a sloth, so you mix it with water. So you need water, face mask, and activator. We're gonna need to squeeze out all of the juices. Oh my gosh!
Gross. And people touch this and put it on their face.
Yeah, because it's a face mask. Then we're going to soak it all in water.
We're going to make sure it's fully covered, then we're going to let it sit there.
Then we need activator. I think we added too much water. This is bad.
How it works.
Not working at all. This is a fail. It's just water.
The next slime is a very cool one. It's lip mask slime. So you're going to need a peel-off lip mask. Anyway, so let's add the lip mask. Pink one.
Yeah, I believe once you've got the lip mask in there, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to add activator. I'm just going to add a tiny bit just because I'm not sure.
Is it working? A bit. I'm a tiny bit of shaving.
I'm going to add some soap. We're just winging it here.
Yeah, like honestly.
Soap is helping. If you guys know the real recipe, then
Have lots of fun trying that out. It has potential. I think I'm going to leave it out.
maybe in the fridge.
Freezer, perfect. And we'll get back to you at the end of this video. See how it turns out.
Oh, what? So I'm going to put this into the freezer. Slime we're going to be making is one we are most excited about. We're going to be making toilet paper slime.
Yay.
It sounds like it's going to work. You know what? But of course you can use tissues.
I'll do tissues.
Actually, yeah.
We'll
you
see
should try
which one
tissues.
works.
Okay, so first you're going to need some soap.
Okay, we'll be here a while. Alright.
And then you're going to whip it up for a minute or two. Just to make it like bubbly. When you mix it, it makes it thicker.
I'm using tissues
yeah.
once again. So
what you're going to do is you're going to
one
break
sheet
it up
at a time is whip it
and
up.
whip it and stuff, yeah.
Alright, this is turning out really good.
I'm going to add in a little more toilet paper.
Mine looks amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I have high hopes this one, like really high. It's soaring high to the moon.
I think you need to leave it in the freezer for like half an hour or something. And then like after I think 10 or 15 minutes you have to check on it and mix it and add more shaving cream or soap if needed.
Yeah, something like that.
Alright,
I use all the shampoo mixed in with my toilet paper.
I'm almost done.
So no shampoo or tissue will be wasted.
Well, it will be wasted if this is a fail, and I'll be so mad.
Yeah, me too. Slimy.
It looks like
chunky
scrambled
meat.
egg. We should dye our slime.
Yeah, it's looking kind of boring. Like, look at that.
Just looks like scrambled eggs.
I'm going to dye mine light yellow. I want to dye mine too. If it turns out chunky and bad, I'm going to call it scrambled eggs.
Okay, I think we're ready, and we've got all our toilet paper mixed in. So now we're going to do the shaving cream.
Woo, got it.
Okay, this literally is the consistency of scrambled eggs.
Gross. I'm playing with it, and I'm not getting any sun from this.
But of course, you need to put it in the freezer, and every about 10 minutes, you're going to check on it.
Yep, so I'm going to set a 10-minute timer on my iPad. So we'll see you guys in 10 minutes.
Well, yeah.
That's in the...
Oh my gosh, wait, what is wrong with the camera? Oh.
So as our... Anyways, never mind. Our timer just went off, so I'm going to go get our slime.
Yeah.
Toilet paper slimes. Check them out.
Still the same scrambled eggs. Oh. This is just worse. Okay, I think it made it better. It's not very stretchy, but I mean, it's turning into something.
Okay, I'm going to put this definitely back in the freezer. Well, anyway, so as our toilet paper slimes are in the freezer along with our lip mask slimes, we are going to be trying out another no glue slime recipe. The ingredients you're going to need are clay,
Shaving cream.
shaving cream,
And
water.
Okay, for our next slime, we're going to be doing a challenge for it. Make the grossest looking slime, if this works.
Okay, so I'm just adding brown to the slime to make it look grosser.
Okay, so we're doing a challenge where we're trying to make the slime gross looking.
On purpose.
I did brown. Alright, then we're going to add in some water. I'm just gonna rip this, we're just ripping this clay into the water.
That's a disgusting color.
I know, right? I'm so gonna win the challenge.
Yeah, like mine. Let's see. Here it is. Gross. And here's lilies. Ew.
So basically what you're gonna do is break up the chunks of clay until it's one with the water.
Ew, sticking.
Well, you're gonna add shaving cream. Add shaving cream.
Can you do it? I have nothing left.
It's worked for me before. I've tried this recipe out before.
Me too.
And did it work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't get what's wrong with this.
Clay recipes always work because clay is almost slime.
Can I redo this?
Sure.
Alright, I'm taking off these gloves. Ooh, this is pretty gross. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, blueberry. Ah! Oh my gosh.
Look,
We
you
need
can't
to get
be
him
the
out.
star all the time,
We
Blueberry.
need to get him off.
Nice try.
He could eat the shaving cream.
Here's little Blueberry.
I think I overactivated mine. Yeah, more water. Shaving cream. The shaving cream is what activates it. You know what? I don't like saltwater taffy. Do you?
Really? I do. I love it.
No, it's kind of gross.
It's delicious. What do you
I
mean?
don't like it.
It's so good in my opinion. I love it.
Okay, give us a thumbs up if you like saltwater taffy. Give us a thumbs up if you don't like saltwater taffy. And give us a thumbs up if you've never tried saltwater taffy.
Either one of them giving us a thumbs up.
Okay, then just give us a thumbs up. Thank you. So please subscribe. Thank you. It's just right under this video.
And we'll do all kinds of fun challenges and send out slimes for you guys. Not like we hit 50
subscribers. This texture is pretty good. So I think we're done.
You are done.
Ah! Ew!
That'll
My
make-
slime fell on like toilet paper or something. Is that toilet paper? It looks like.
Oh!
Okay, now I've got no slime. Anyways, that was a success.
Oh, the timer went off. I'm gonna take it out and try to play with it. Ew, I'm giving up.
So gross.
Okay, I'm giving up on the slime. I'm throwing this away. And I'm gonna go wash my hands.
I had such high hopes. Okay, here's how the toilet paper slime turned out. And as you can see, I can't even call it slime.
It's a chunky mess. We have one more slime.
No. That is freezing though. I'm cleaning this all up. This is a fail. I hate this. Anyway, so thank you for watching.
gonna go off
Hope you
and cry
subscribe,
now.
like, and ring that notification